Super Grok review. Is Grok 4 AI worth it? Well, let's find out. So what is Grok 4 and Super Grok? So Grok 4 is XAI's latest flagship AI model, launched in July 2025. It's available via subscriptions under the Super Grok tier or Super Grok Heavy, which is $20 per month. So it comes with pros and legit features. It has the top reasoning and coding performance, ideal for logic tasks, arithmetical writing, math, documentation, comprehension, and code generation. So let's test it out. So first we can use Grok 4. So if you can see here, then let's ask it for a code. Give me a programming code in C language that changes the number 2 to 5 after one run. Then we wait for integration. So, however, you need to upgrade to the Pro plan in order to use Grok 4, but you can use GPT-4 if you want to use the website itself. So that's how it's not free. So it also has real-time web integration, so you can have updates from X and live data supplements from the trainings. It also has a huge memory capacity and it has advanced coding tools. However, it comes with cost limitations, so it is pricey and has a limited rate caps. As you can see, it's not free. Grok 4 is not free. You need to subscribe to a premium plan or a subscription, which is $20 per month. It also has inconsistent features access. And who should use it? Well, tech professionals and researchers or coders or academics needing deep reasoning, live data, or long context comparisons should use Grok 4. And you should not use it if you're just a casual user looking for affordable AI tool. You can just choose ChatGPT Plus or other AI. So Grok 4 is technically impressive and legitimate, especially its Super Grok heavy mode. It outshines many competitors. However, it has a high price point and has an inconsistent platform.